Thank you for choosing Subaru City for your service needs. We are conveniently located on the corner of 27th and Layton. If entering on Layton Avenue, you will pull onto the lot and take an immediate left and drive to the front of the parking lot and then turn right, drive towards the showroom, and then turn right towards the two big garage doors. When you pull up, the door should automatically open after driving over the black rubber hose. You will be promptly greeted by one of our assistant service managers. When entering off of 27th Street, service is located at the two large garage doors right in front of you.